This is a very stern warning to Miss Cutie Jules or Cutie Julies, whatever you call yourself. I'm not here to talk too much. First thing, ma'am, I know what your problem is. You're very pissed. Your problem is, say, they like make artists, they give you money. You post their pictures, you manipulate them with some information, and then they pay you money. Just like you collected 200,000 from the person you collected from, just to be able not to post whatever you said you had, you didn't want to post. Listen, this year is aura for aura. Everybody in a blogger for this Obasanjo app, so everybody have to fix themselves. It's very simple. I've been going about it. I have endorsement, I have good things, you don't post about it. Why do you think that you can be able to tarnish my image? And then you told me that Nollywood girls them have God. Do you know who I am? Take a good look at me, you will see that God took his time. My name should be Queeneth Hirbert God. I'm 6 feet 1, a whole lot. Like a very manipulative height, a very intimidating one. So please, next time, don't you ever, in your irritating tacky photosynthesized shredded life, pick up my picture to write shit about me without any proof, because it will not end well and it will not be so. I mean, it's very simple. Forget say that they call you grandma. Grandma, where they call person for video call, they hide. That one will be grandma. Grandma, where they make sure say people, they release them from prison for back. They do all the shitty businesses, no be grandma. So listen, nobody is a saint. Everybody will put her for annuals, bring them out, they smell. No matter how much you take your bet in a day. So don't come and be acting all saint and think you can manipulate other people and so they can give you money, you come and deal with me. I've been keeping quiet for you for long. Now, any blogger, especially you, Cutie Jules, that tries it again, I will tell you that you're not just a mad person. I will give you all the receipts of every single person, every single artist that has been giving you money behind back. Even the last one they gave you, like I said, I still have a whole lot. All the actresses that you have blackmailed, I will list it out with receipts and evidence. Listen, don't underestimate a quiet person. You're gonna avoid me. Maybe just leave me. I did my day. I beg. Shalom.
I love the new Queeneth Hirbert. Like, if you talk anyhow, you go collect. Anything where you talk, you go come prove am. Seriously, it's been long enough. It's been long overdue. People are just attacking this girl for no reason. And she's one actress that love low-key life. You hardly see her in scandals. Like, I don't understand why the blogger that she mentioned is trying to blackmail her, allegedly, according to her. Bloggers should understand that these people are human beings. They have feelings. You can't just wake up and try to tarnish somebody's image. These people, it took them a lot of years to build up their brand, and you tarnishing it within seconds, it doesn't make sense. Like I said earlier, I love this new Queeneth Hirbert. You talk anyhow, you come defend it. And if you can't defend, you pay for damages. Like, it took these people years to build their brand. We all should know better now. It doesn't make sense trying to bring somebody down.